What's going on, fam? It's your boy. This is my favorite voiceover ever because you don't have to measure anything to make fried chicken, guys. You just need 3 bowls. All right, and I usually do this right next to the stove, but for the purposes of making this nice video for you, all right, I just set my 3 bowls up on my work surface. I've got a pot of oil that's about 350 degrees. All right, so in the first bowl there on your right side is just white flour, all-purpose flour. And in this bowl, I'm doing a mixture of all-purpose flour with cornmeal. All right, dump some cornmeal in there, and of course some seasoned salt. I'm using your boy Tony Saturates. That's how we get down in New Orleans. Had a little cough right there, got in my nose. All right, then we're doing some cayenne pepper. All right, we're doing a little bit of dry basil, doing a little bit of dried oregano. We're gonna do a little pinch of kosher salt as well. You can do a lot of different things with your second flour mixture. But I like to keep it simple. The little cornmeal adds that little crisp, nutty flavor in the fried chicken, and the seasoned salt adds all that spice. All right, so that's what it's looking like. You can see the distinct speckles of spice there. All right, now for the sourdough discard. All right, this is why you even clicked on the video. It's like, what do I do with my sourdough discard, son? I put eggs, 2 eggs, and some milk in a bowl. All right, just like a typical egg wash, except we're using some of this glorious, delicious, funky goodness that's known as sourdough starter. I know y'all got some discard, you don't want to waste it, so put it into your wet batter for your chicken. Why not? And you can fry anything with this, not just chicken. All right, I just love fried chicken, so your boy did it with fried chicken. So we're gonna whisk it up real quick with a fork. All right, and we're gonna add an extra element of spice as well. We're going to add some more cayenne pepper here into the wet mixture and some more seasoned salt. Again, I'm going with that Tony's. I'm using the Tony's, and that's what our batter looks like when I'm done. So 3 bowl system, very, very simple. Oil is at around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't want your oil to be too hot because you will burn and you will get a not so pleasant oil situation. All right, so chicken tenderloins going straight into the white flour, into the plain flour first, and then we're going into our batter. All right, just like that, nice and simple. All right, get it nice and coated there. Okay, and you can see the speckles of spice there already building up, which is great. The next step here is we're going to go to our seasoned salt, spice mixed cornmeal, whatever you want to call it. Now, just note, you can use marinated chicken that's been sitting overnight with buttermilk. You can use chicken that you just bought the same day. It's all gravy. It's all in the spice that you're going to get. All right, we're going straight to the oil here. All right, obviously done a few batches already because I've been eating mad fried chicken. We're going to let them fry for about 10 to 15 minutes, guys. You want to look for a nice golden brown color just like that. You can see the flakiness in this fried chicken. You can see how crisp and crunchy that it's going to be. You can see those little I love seeing those little speckles of spice and cornmeal and those flakes of just absolute skin goodness. But guys, let me tell you something right now. I got a little bonus for you. We ain't stopping just with the fried chicken. I'm about to show you how I make a little biscuit sandwich with some hot honey. All right, so first we're gonna make a little hot honey. You see that fried chicken there? Hot honey is basically honey with hot sauce in it. That's how I do it. All right, so we're gonna mix some honey, some hot sauce, no big deal. And we're gonna take a nice flaky biscuit, a nice warm flaky biscuit. We're about to make a sandwich with this chicken. Put a nice layer of hot honey on there and a couple of these crunchy sourdough discard fried chicken strips with them, right? And get a couple of bread and butter. Oh, no, not bread and butter pickles yet. I had to put some more hot honey on there. Of course. There's the bread and butter chips. I like to go with tree. We're going to cover it up. And there you go, my friends. It's very simple. Did not need to weigh any ingredients. I just went for it, and here it is, fam. You could do it too. I know y'all probably waiting like, yo, you gonna take a bite? Yeah, I definitely took a bite of the sandwich. It was absolutely delicious. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me on Straight Off the Blog. Hit the recipe on the blog. I call it a recipe. It's more just like, hey, here's the process. Holla at your boy.